to see the plows and all that out in the middle of October. But yeah, they're just practicing. We don't have anything like that in the forecast.
Nothing crazy.
Just some fog to slow you down a little bit as you're heading out the door. Visibilities in the triangle are fine. 10 miles, which is unobstructed, but close to a mile for visibility in Siler City, Benson, and in Clayton. Roxborough, things have improved. It just goes neighborhood by neighborhood. We've seen some camera perspectives with some fog out there this morning, others that are perfectly clear. Give yourself an extra minute or two just to be on the safe side as you're heading out the door to head to work or take the kids to school. And speaking of school, I was out at Dixon Road Elementary School in Johnston County last Thursday talking to this big group of fifth graders. We got together to talk about severe weather, hurricanes, forecasting, the technology we use to forecast the weather and analyze the weather, including Doppler radar and how that works. And one of the questions, which is a good question, is, well, how do you keep the radar safe from storms? And the answer is that we can't completely. We put a big dome over it, but it can get struck by lightning. Hurricanes have wiped out those radars. Even tornadoes have gone close to them. So just some of the weather trivia as well that we talk about. Thanks to the fifth graders and their teachers for having me out last week. Let's take a look outside, and, well, just a little fog in the distance as we look out from Chapel Hill. 52 degrees the temperature at Keaton Memorial Stadium. Some fog getting a little closer to the camera lens from our campus camera on NC State. 54 degrees the temperature there. Officially in the triangle, right in between. 53 degrees in both Raleigh and in Durham. A couple spots in the 40s inside the city and Roxborough. Otherwise, mostly in the low to mid 50s and some upper 50s farther south. 57 degrees in Fayetteville and 58 degrees right now in Rocky Mount. Temperatures will be nearly steady for the next few hours as that fog, the low cloud cover, sticks around or still in the process of developing. But once it dissipates, temperatures start warming up. Low 60s by noon, upper 60s to around 70. Hour by hour this afternoon, I think we get up to an official high in the triangle of 71 degrees. Still nice by 6 o'clock this evening as temperatures dip back to the upper 60s. A little warmer farther south. You'll get rid of the clouds a little earlier, which means it'll be nice out there. Low to mid 70s up and down the coastal plain. Mid 70s for the Sand Hills and around Fayetteville. More likely to stay just below 70 degrees along the Virginia state line. But all these temperatures almost exactly normal for mid to late October. And we stay dry today. We stay dry most of tonight, but the clouds will thicken up overnight. Could see some showers making a run towards us by the time the sun comes up tomorrow morning. Those aren't going to bring any severe weather threat. But if we get enough of a break from the showers, temperatures warm up, and that allows the next round of storms to potentially become a bit stronger. It's all potential at this point because it still could go either way. If the clouds and showers are a bit more stubborn, we're going to stay too cool for any severe weather threat. If we get some stronger storms to move off the coastal plain already by late afternoon, Storm Prediction Center has already included us in a slight risk of severe weather. That's level 2 out of 5. Damaging winds the main threat, but enough wind energy in the atmosphere that we can't cross an isolated tornado off the list of possibilities. So tomorrow is an alert day. It doesn't mean you need to panic. It just means stay weather aware, especially midday into the afternoon hours. And then things dry out Wednesday and Thursday. Looking ahead to the weekend, because it's Monday morning and we want to look ahead to the weekend, have some indoor stuff on the agenda for Saturday. Maybe Sunday our rain chances diminish enough to get out and salvage that second half of the weekend. We'll just keep you updated on that. You had a lot of rain to track yesterday morning.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, quite a bit.
We only completely made up our October rainfall deficit yesterday. So.
It's amazing what those tropical systems can do.
Right.
Yeah.
Luckily, no major damage. A couple limbs down, some power outages, but that was really about it.